Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you the best settings for DREAME D20 Plus on tile floors. To clean tile floors, you may want to use more water because tiles are waterproof and can be cleaned with a higher amount of water. To do it, click on the Custom button. Select either Mop or Vacuum and Mop and increase the mop wetness to, say, 22. See if that works for you and decide whether you want more or less. Since tiles are probably not in all your rooms, click on Customize, then Set, and select the room with tiles. Set the Mop or Vacuum and Mop setting, then change the mop wetness for that room. For room 2 with hardwood floor, I would want less wetness. You can also change the amount of cycles to 1, 2, or 3 for deeper cleaning. That means the robot will just repeat the task. One more thing that increases efficiency and decreases wasted time is in the top right corner. Click the three dots and go to Floor Cleaning Settings. If you have that option enabled, the robot will go along the floor direction to minimize scraping against floor seams. That makes sense on hardwood floors or floors made of rectangular parts. Keep that setting enabled because it's great. If you have square tiles, go to Editing with the Edit button, select Floor Type, choose the room with square tiles, set floor material to tile floor, and confirm. If you have rectangular tiles, you may still want to minimize scraping. Go to the room, select floor material, and set it to horizontal or vertical. I'll set it to horizontal and confirm so the robot will go along that path. For square tiles, set it to tile floor because that will make cleaning time shorter. Minimizing scraping is great because it produces less sound and causes less damage to your tiles. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.